Let's talk about this GitHub repository, awesome-dsh-plugin. It's a curated list of plugins for DeepSeek Harness, which is DeepSeek's open-source agent harness. What's the big idea here?
The repository is a centralized hub for plugins that enhance the functionality of DeepSeek Harness. These plugins come in various forms, from UI enhancements to tools and capabilities. The goal is to provide a one-stop shop for developers and users looking to extend the agent's capabilities.
So, what problem is this repository solving for developers who use DeepSeek Harness?
DeepSeek Harness is a powerful agent framework, but its core functionality is limited to the base features. This repository addresses the need for a diverse set of plugins that can be easily installed and managed. It allows users to enhance the agent's capabilities without having to develop each plugin from scratch.
What makes this repository unique compared to other plugin collections?
This repository is unique because it's not just a list of plugins. It's a curated listing that ensures quality and compatibility. Each plugin is checked against its own source before being added to the list. It also provides a marketplace experience through DSH Market, allowing users to install and manage plugins with a simple, friendly interface.
I see. What's the structure of the repository, and how are the plugins organized?
The repository is organized into categories, such as UI enhancements, themes and appearance, and tools and capabilities. Each plugin is listed in the appropriate category to help users find what they need quickly. Additionally, the repository includes scripts like maintrabase.sh and reorder categories.py to maintain the integrity of the plugin list.
That's interesting. What about the technical architecture of the plugins themselves? Are there any unique design choices or patterns they follow?
Each plugin follows a standardized framework where everything is a plugin, including models, tools, sandboxes, session storage, UI, and the agent loop itself. This design allows for greater flexibility and modularity, enabling users to swap out core components or assemble entirely new agent experiences.
That sounds really powerful. What are some of the most interesting technical features of the plugins?
One of the most interesting features is the use of DSH bundle manifests. Each plugin declares its own manifest, which is used during installation. This makes it easy for users to understand what a plugin does before installing it. Another notable feature is the integration with DSH Market, which provides a marketplace experience within the agent's settings.
I see. How do the plugins ensure compatibility with different clients, like desktop or web versions of DeepSeek Harness?
The repository is client-agnostic, meaning that a plugin is listed because it follows the official protocol. It declares a DSH bundle manifest and installs with DSH plugin add. This ensures compatibility across different clients, as long as they support the protocol.
What are some of the limitations or potential issues users might face when working with this repository?
One limitation is that installing a plugin runs third-party code on your machine with your own permissions. This can pose security risks if the plugin is not trusted. Additionally, being on this list is not a security review, so users should always check the source before installing unfamiliar plugins.
That's an important point. What's the process for contributing to this repository?
Contributing is straightforward. Developers can submit their plugins for inclusion by following the guidelines outlined in the contributing.md file. Submissions are reviewed to ensure they meet the criteria, including having a DSH bundle manifest, functioning as described, and being well maintained.
What about the community and ecosystem around this repository? Is there a strong community of developers using and contributing to it?
Yes, the repository has a strong community of developers who are actively contributing and using the plugins. The community is growing rapidly, and there are ongoing discussions about improving the plugin ecosystem and expanding the range of available plugins.
That's great. What are some real-world use cases for the plugins in this repository?
The plugins can be used for a wide range of tasks, from enhancing the user interface of the agent to integrating with various models and tools. For example, UI enhancements can improve the visual experience, while tools and capabilities can add new functionalities that were previously unavailable.
What's the future roadmap for this repository? Are there any upcoming features or improvements planned?
The future roadmap includes expanding the plugin ecosystem, improving the marketplace experience, and enhancing the security features of the plugins. There are also plans to integrate with more clients and platforms, making it easier for users to work with DeepSeek Harness in various environments.
That's very exciting. Who should actually care about this repository?
Anyone involved in agent development, plugin creation, or working with DeepSeek Harness should care about this repository. It's a valuable resource for developers looking to extend the functionality of their agents and for users who want to enhance their experience with the platform.